everyone. Welcome to another episode of CUET Current Affairs. Let's begin today's session. The first question is, who unveiled the new quantum computing chip? Microsoft, Apple, Google, or IBM? The correct answer is option C, Google. Google has introduced a new quantum computing chip called Willow, marking a major breakthrough in the field. Next, which project won the Award of Excellence at the 2024 UNESCO Asia Pacific Awards for Cultural Heritage Conservation? Taj Mahal Restoration Project, Inari U Bathhouse Restoration Project, Great Wall of China Restoration Project, or Angkor Wat Preservation Project? The correct answer is option B, Inari U Bathhouse Restoration Project. The Inari U Bathhouse Restoration Project in Tokyo received UNESCO's Award of Excellence in recognition of its outstanding heritage conservation efforts. Next, which countries participated in the Desert Night Air Exercise? India, France, and UAE. India, USA, and France. UAE, France, and Russia, or India, USA, and UK? The correct answer is option A, India, France, and UAE. The Desert Night Air Exercise involved the Air Forces of India, France, and the United Arab Emirates to demonstrate enhanced cooperation. Next, which flag did the Syrian embassy in New Delhi replace? National flag, rebel flag, United Nations flag, or European Union flag? The correct answer is option B, rebel flag. The Syrian embassy in New Delhi replaced its old national flag with the rebel flag following the political changes in Syria. Next, which country has been officially announced as the host for the 2034 Men's Football World Cup? Qatar, Brazil, United States, or Saudi Arabia? The correct answer is option D, Saudi Arabia. FIFA announced Saudi Arabia as the host nation for the 2034 Men's Football World Cup, making it the second country from the Middle East after Qatar in 2022. Next, who became the youngest ever World Chess Champion in December 2024? Magnus Carlsen, Gukesh Dommaraju, Ding Liren, or Vishwanathan Anand? The correct answer is option B, Gukesh Dommaraju. Gukesh Dommaraju made history by defeating reigning champion Ding Liren to become the youngest ever world champion at just 18 years old. Next, what type of vessel is INS Vagshir? Aircraft carrier, submarine, destroyer, or frigate? The correct answer is option B, submarine. INS Vagshir is a hunter-killer submarine designed for underwater warfare, making it an essential part of India's deep-sea naval force. Next, which Indian government initiative will be showcased at Mahakumbh 2025 in Uttar Pradesh? Swachh Bharat Mission, Make in India, Jal Jeevan Mission, or Digital India? The correct answer is option C, Jal Jeevan Mission. The Har Ghar Jal Village will showcase the Jal Jeevan Mission, which is aimed at providing tap water connections to all rural households across India. Next, who became the first cricketer in the world to score 4 centuries in a calendar year in women's ODIs? Smriti Mandhana, Mithali Raj, Elise Perry, or Harmanpreet Kaur? The correct answer is option A, Smriti Mandhana. Smriti Mandhana made history by becoming the first cricketer to score 4 centuries in a calendar year in women's ODIs, a remarkable achievement in December 2024. The last question is, who was named among the 6 champions of the earth for 2024 by the United Nations Environment Programme? Dr. Vandana Shiva, Sunita Narayan, R.K. Pachauri, or Madhav Gadgil? The correct answer is option D, Madhav Gadgil. Madhav Gadgil, an ecologist, academic, and writer, was recognized as one of the 6 champions of the earth for 2024 by UNEP for his significant contributions to environmental conservation. Now it's time for the practice question. Which of the following is not a pillar of the QS World University Ranking Sustainability 2025? Environmental impact, social impact, academic reputation, or economic impact? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.